हेलो दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो है एक ऐसे फाउंडर के बारे में बात करेंगे। बेंगलोर बेस्ड एक स्टार्टअप है। जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है 2005 से। नाम है मुस्तफ़ा एंड आफ्टर फेलिंग क्लास 6 this founder built ID Fresh Food with his cousins, clocked 682 crore operating revenue with 50 crore profit in financial year 2025. Bangalore-based packaged food company ID Fresh Food, founded in 2005 by PC Mustafa and his cousins, reported 681.4 crore in operating revenue in financial year 2025, driven by strong demand for its fresh better products. ID Fresh Food began with a simple daily problem: unsafe idli dosa batter being sold in city stores. In 2005, PC Mustafa and his cousins decided to fix that gap with a cleaner, more reliable product. They started small and stayed focused. 20 years later, that effort had grown into ID Fresh Food, a company that reported 681 crore in operating revenue, selling fresh batter parotas and other food across India and overseas. The company grew at its own pace, remained private for years, and built its business by doing one thing well. Meet the founder of ID Fresh Food, PC Mustafa. PC Mustafa grew up in Wayanad, Kerala. His father worked as a plantation laborer and earned 10 rupees a day. Life was uncertain. Mustafa failed class 6 and dropped out of school because the family needed money. A teacher later convinced him to return and taught him without charge. That support helped him rebuild his studies. Years later, Mustafa completed his engineering from NIT Calicut. He still remembers his first salary. When I got placed and earned my first salary of 14,000, I gave it to my papa. He cried, "You have earned more in a month than I have in years." That moment shaped how he thought about work, money, and responsibility. After working as a software engineer in India and Dubai, he returned home with saving and a clear idea of what he wanted to do next. How ID Fresh Food was built. चलिए जानते हैं. The idea for ID Fresh Food came during grocery trips in Bangalore. Mustafa noticed that idli dosa batter sold in stores was loose, unsafe, and made without basic care. With four cousins Abdul Nazir, Shamsuddin, TK, Jafar TK, and Naushad DA, he decided to offer a better option. In December 2005, they pooled 50,000 and began work from a 50 square feet kitchen in Tipsundra. There were no grinding machines at the start, output was low, and mistakes were common. It took 9 months to sell 100 packets a day. One batch went wrong and burst inside a shop. Bomb in your batter, they called, Mustafa said later. Instead of adding preservatives, the team tried a different method. Batter was ground fresh, partially fermented, and then allowed to mature during transport. Delivery trucks acted like warm rooms, helping natural fermentations. This gives a better 14 to 18 days shelf life without chemicals. By 2008, the company moved into a factory. ID turned down more than 30 funding offers before finally raising money in 2019 from Premji Invest. ID Fresh Food revenue and financials in 2025. Financial year 2025 was a strong year for the company. Operating revenue reached 681 crore, a 22% increase from financial year 2024. Crore profit after tax stood at 25.87 crore, a 5x jump from the previous year, while total reported profit was 50.75 crore. Supported by deferred tax, EBITDA rose to 59 crore, with margins improving to 8.68%, up from around 1% in financial year 2024. Batter and parotas remain the main product, contributing over 76% of revenue. The company operates in 44 cities and runs more than 100 stores. Around 90% of sales now come through the ID app. Cash balance rose to 99.21 crore even after spending heavily on new plants in Haryana and in the UAE. सो इसका इस जर्नी से हमको सीखने को ये मिलता है कि लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है। आपको बस हार नहीं मानना चाहिए, कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए। मुस्तफ़ा की स्टोरी हमें ये बताती है कि कैसे आप भी ये कर सकते हो, कोई भी कर सकता है। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एक गेम की तरह समझो, ये उतार-चढ़ाव होता रहता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में। हार नहीं मानना, लगे रहना है और गिव अप नहीं करना है। एक ऐसा टाइम भी आएगा कि आपका भी स्टार्टअप एक दिन बहुत बड़ा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।